I support the underlying goals of this legislation, which is to provide regulatory relief for community financial institutions. I am, however, like Mr. Sherman, concerned that we're not also discussing credit union regulatory relief. And today I was prepared to offer as an amendment to H.R. 1660 the text of my bill, H.R. 1422, the Credit Union Residential Loan Parity Act. And just as H.R. 1660 seeks to provide parity between the treatment of thrifts and national banks, H.R. 1422 would ensure that loans to finance the purchase of small apartment buildings are treated as residential real estate loans for credit unions, as they are, precisely are, for banks. And this simple step would free up an estimated $11 billion of much-needed private sector financing for small businesses and for rental housing without costing taxpayers a dime. So I understand, Mr. Chairman, that this discussion is not germane to the bill before us today, but frankly, that is the problem. That is the problem. Credit union regulatory relief should be front and center when we're talking about relief for community financial institutions. And I would like to submit for the record letters from the Credit Union National Association and the National Association of Federal Credit Unions voicing similar concerns about the markup today. Mr. Chairman, I am hopeful that this committee's agenda will encompass a discussion in the near future on how to provide credit unions greater flexibility to underwrite small business growth, to underwrite job creation. We should be marking up bills which provide regulatory relief for all institutions seeking to serve our local communities. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Would the gentleman yield to the
Absolutely.